is goodbye, waiting for your bright blue sky. Lonely night with the angels cry, holding on to the sunrise. When you come back to me, I've got too much feelings. Maybe you're...
Sa mga pumili na soulmates card, ito yung reading. Tingnan natin kung anong balak gawin sa inyo ng inyong kaaway. I feel na gusto ko nilang manahimik at iwasa mag-post sa social media. Maybe you're somebody who's an influencer at saka kailangan nyo talagang gawin yun kasi parte yun ng inyong trabaho. I'm sensing evil karmic. At na-sense ko rin ay influencer. So, baka kayo yung may influencer vibe dito. At I'm also sensing na minamahal kayo ng mga tao. At nainis sila kasi tinatangkilit ng tao yung mga pinapost mo. Kaya ayaw kanila mag-post ang kahit ano. And they could be trying to brainwash people to attack you. Or even to hurt you by comments. Okay, I-feel ko yung medyo naiyak kayo minsan sa mga comments. May pagka-stubborn yung energy ng cards natin, pero tingnan natin kung bakit, okay? So, gusto sabihin ng mga anghel na itong mga taon to, hindi pa rin sila nagbabago. Siguro you're aware about what's going on around you. So far, yung plano nilang gawin sa'yo is same. Like whatever that they've done before. Okay, at napapansin mo yun. And I'm also sensing the word betray. So siguro yung balak nilang gawin dito is magpanggap na kaibigan mo, pero kaaway mo na pala sila. I'm also sensing fake fans, okay? And look at this one. So, as I told you, naiinis sila kasi nakita kanila na dinedesire ng mga tao yung ginagawa mo. And I'm sensing na yung balak nilang gawin is, you know, i-backstab ka, siraan ka behind the scenes, kontrolin yung mga tao na maging against sa'yo instead na maging, you know, mag-follow sa'yo or taga-suporta mo. Ngayon, gusto malaman ng... I feel like gusto nila ipaalam sa inyo na actually protected kayo ng Panginoon, and whether they like it or not, you will still earn from whatever that you're doing. And God wants you to save the money or invest in the right things for the future to come is also what I sense. So, yung message ay ng Panginoon. Ngayon, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon sa'yo na huwag mong papansinin si haters. Kasi hindi nila mapipigilan kung ano yung nakalaan para sa'yo. So, dapat yung gawin lang ay mag-focus ang kayo sa work. And with the nurture being here, I feel na maraming mga tao na maraming magkakagusto talaga sa mga ginagawa mo. Because of the reason that you really care for others and you're a genuine, loving person. Okay, at yun nga, hindi nila yung mawawala sa'yo kasi that is definitely your calling and you are a just person. Ngayon yung mga taong ito, yung balak nilang gawin is kung may jowa ka man, gusto nilang agawin or i-curse yung inyong love life. Kasi I'm sensing here na nalulungkot sila kasi nakita kanila may love life at ganun din meron ka rin trabaho na talaga nag-resonate sa inyo. I feel na naiiyak sila or naiinis, naiinggit kasi nakita nila yung mga ganitong bagay. Kaya suggestion ko lang guys, iwasan nyo mag-post tungkol sa buhay nyo at ikayatin yung tao na to na mainggit sa inyo. Kasi masama rin pa na-influensyahan natin yung mga tao. But with regards to you being an influencer, okay, I feel na naturally talaga na nakaka-attract ka ng mga tao. So, naturally din kapag nandito kasi kayo, may mga tao talaga na nagsaselos, whether do you like it or not. And all we have to do is to be protected by praying, okay? So, anyway, yung balak nilang gawin sa iyo is stop yung mga tao na pumunta sa iyong channel or bumili ng inyong produkto. to. Kasi I feel na until now, you know, you are actually receiving lots of gifts from heaven at ganun din nakaka-influensya ka at nakaka-attract ka na maraming tao sa ginagawa mo. So anyway, masaya kayo with the rejoice big here, and these haters of yours, ayaw kanila maging masaya, obviously. So we got the soulmates. It says here, soul connection, partnership agreement, and soul contract. So yung basically na binabalak nilang gawin is kinda like i-alis yung love life mo, as you can see here. Okay, kinakurs na yung love life mo kasi papunta yan sa kasalan or talagang maganda yung connection mo with your partner. Anyway, let's see what else do we have here. Tsaka, tinatarget din nila yung iyong career. You could be a charismatic person is what I sense. So, we have this one. Ayaw ka nilang kumita. Gusto nila magkaroon ka ng problema sa pera kasi nakita nila sa ngayon nagkakaroon ka ng money, as you can see, at kanon din ng savings. So, yung plano nilang gawin is i-disrupt yung iyong work para wala ka ng kitain at magkaroon ka ng issues sa pera. Tinatarget din nila yung iyong love life. I feel na yung balak din nilang gawin is magpadala ng tao sa yung person para agawin yung tao mo sa'yo, pero hindi ko naman nakikita dito na nadi-disrupt yung inyong connection. Okay, as you can see here. Siguro naisip nila na pag nawala yung lover mo, iiyak ka at mawawalan ka sa focus. So, hindi yung balak nilang gawin sa inyo. So, you also have the code in either way. Gusto rin nila maging cold-hearted yung mga tao sa'yo. I feel like but their spells will backfire or kung ano man ang ginawa nila ay babalik at babalik sa kanila dahil sa karma. So we have the use being here. I feel like these people took things for granted. We also got so sweet in reverse, okay? So yung gusto nila mangyari dito ay mawala yung iyong love life or yung opportunity mo. So, you also have this one in reverse. Siguro wala kayong haters talaga sa channel mo. Yung mga hater mo lang siguro, yung mga bilang dumating sa yung buhay na hindi mo maintindihan ng ugali. Okay? But ito yung mga nanonood sa'yo, I don't feel na 100% of them are haters. I feel like most of them are definitely people that you attract because of your good vibe at saka maganda kasing caring yung energy mo. So, you also have this one here. So, yung balak nilang gawin ay layuan ka ng mga tao. Baka magkalat sila ng chismis about you, but I don't feel like it work kasi nakita mo naman dito na kahit anong gawin nila, may impluwensya ka pa rin. Okay? At hindi nagbabago yun. So, you also have the space here. And you also got this one. So, isa nilang iniisip na paraan para matigil ka sa ginagawa mo ay maalis yung love life. Kasi iniisip nila na once maalis yan, you need a space to heal and to cry. Kaya matagal na mawawala ka sa channel mo or pwede rin sa iyong negosyo. We also have this one here in reverse. So as I told you, kung anong gawin nila, hindi yan mag-workout with regards sa career. Hindi ka maiwasan ng mga tao dahil gusto nila yung content mo or yung ginagawa mo sa buhay. So we have the betray in reverse. And we also got close in reverse, okay? Siguro natatawa kayo, okay? Kasi si betray guys ang ka-reverse. Ibig sabihin lang nun, kung sakali man mag-try sila na mag-encourage ang yung viewer na i-hate ka whatever, these people will not betray you, especially if they are aware that you are a good person. At hindi sila mag-close off sa'yo. Yung mga tao lang na gumagawa niyan is basically only your haters and not people na talagang genuinely, you know, liking you from afar. So, anyway, tinan natin kung ano pang meron. I feel marami kang haters. To be honest with you, with the energy vibe that I sense, Actually, mas marami kang admirers kaysa sa haters. Para na-outnumbered sila. Kasi, as you can see in your reading, hindi nila mapipigilan yung blessings na parating sa inyong buhay. Kasi first of all, you're genuinely kind and loving energy. That's the reason why hindi nila basta matatabunan yun ng, let's say, lie and rumors about you or pwede spell work then. Okay, these people need to be reminded that they are not God, okay? Anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So far naman, na-sense ko masakit sa dibdib yung energy, okay? Siguro tinatamaan talaga nila yung feelings is what I'm sensing. But I feel like it all backfired on them. At saka na-feel ko rin yung ang heavy sa mata. So, maybe these are the people na may problem ngayon with regards sa money, with regards din sa love situation. Kasi I'm sensing so far na tumalbog sa kanila kung ano man ang ginagawa nila sa'yo. Kasi look at this one, okay? Ito kasi nakikita nila nangyayari sa buhay mo. That you do have this stable income. Kung wala pang ganito na fulfillment sa money, papunta kayo doon. And remember to learn to save the money as you can see here. So, yun nga, you're standing in your power in terms of career. At saka, I'm sensing, look at this one. Maganda talaga mga nangyayari sa'yo, guys. May mga friends ka, mga tao na attract talaga sa ginagawa mo. I feel that the reason why you're there on what you're doing, kasi yan ang calling mo. At the same time, you're able to help a lot of people as you can see here. With regards naman sa yung relationship, actually, ikaw na yung pinili na yung tao because you're somebody that's an upright person. At saka, kaya din nila actually mabe-brainwash yung mga tao because of the reason that you are an honest person. Nakita ka ng mga tao na upright, okay? So, anyway, yung balak nilang gawin sa inyo, isirain yung reputasyon mo para bumaba ang tingin ng mga tao sa inyo. But as I told you, with you being authentic, at saka aware yung mga tao kung ano ka, hindi nila basta-basta madidisrupt yung mga tao to hate you because you will remain on where you're at. Okay? Nakita mo naman paulit-ulit sa reading mo na kahit anong gawin nila, nandun ka pa rin sa iyon trono. Ngayon, tinan naman natin kung ano yung karma ng mga taong to na nagpa-plot na masama sa inyo. I feel na iba sa inyo, alam nyo na ito yung ginagawa sa inyo. Kasi maybe nung una pa lang, ganyan na yung kanilang gawain sa'yo. Anyway, let's see what else. I feel hindi talaga sila tumigil, guys. Kasi nung ginamit ko to mag-shuffle, hirap mag-shuffle to. Ibig sabihin lang, no, matigas ang ulo nila at ayaw magbagong buhay. So, anyway, pinapadalos-dalos sila sa kanilang decision making at sa kanilang buhay din. At I feel na mga agaw din sila, guys. So, really have to be careful, okay? And protect your connections. Always pray to God to stay protected from these people, okay? Another dimension to me. I'm sensing third-party situations, alright? So, yung kanilang karma, guys, kukulangin ang budget o yung money nila laging kulang, as you can see here. At whether they like it or not, you will remain loved by people, as you can see here. Kung magkakaroon man sila ng jowa, yung jowa nila ay gagamitin lang sila sa pera. It's kind of like a false love, as you can see, kaya malas sila with regards sa money. At kung nagkaroon sila ng jowa na after lang sa money nila, no wonder why we have the use here. Okay, kung pagkakajowa, gagamitin lang sila, or kung hindi naman about yan sa jowa, pwede mga kaibigan, barkada na ginagamit lang sila sa pera. Yung masaklap, hindi nila basta-basta ito may iwasan. Okay, kasi close sila doon at may iyak sila dahil hindi sila kagaya mo na emperor yung vibe kanina, diba? Pabagsak sila with regards sa money concerns. I feel here na malungkot sila. Maybe these are people na they love to post sa social media na okay yung kanilang buhay and abundant, but in reality, it's not really true. Because to be honest, the reality here is that they're being controlled, used, abused by their person, okay? And I'm sensing na may iyak sila kasi I feel na they will definitely have a hard life, okay? Dahil nga, may ginagawa silang kalokohan behind the scenes. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, guys. If ever this person curse you, meron din mga tao na nagko-curse sa kanilang buhay, and they could be somebody who didn't know about it, okay? And anyway, I feel as well na with regards to this card, kung may biniktiman naman silang ibang tao, makakaalis yung mga taong yan sa kanilang ginagawang kalokohan. Okay? And yeah, their spells will not work. It will be removed from their victims. So anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. And God bless all of you. Sa mga pumili na Healthy Choices card, ito yung reading. Tingnan natin kung anong balak gawin sa inyo ng inyong hater or ng inyong enemy, kaaway. If yun nakamag-anak, to be honest, I feel na nang balak gawin ng kamag-anak sa'yo, yun yung nasa-sense kong tanong. So, bilin ng mga anghel, avoid posting in social media, avoid bragging about your life. Because I'm sensing like the more that you brag, the more na may maiinggit sa'yo. So, yun yung dapat nyo matutunan as of this time. And maybe you're still learning about it. So, anyway. Okay, they mentioned another. Yeah, they keep on repeating, avoid brag posting. Kasi may masamang epekto rin yun at saka may hikayat yung mga tao na mainggit sa'yo. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. I'm sensing pamana. I feel na whomever this person is sa kaaway nyo, guys, you're not definitely aware na siya ay kaaway mo. You could be thinking like this person supports you or magkasundo kayo, but I don't really think that. It's what you think of. Okay. I feel na matagal ka na niyang kinukulam but you're not aware about it, and maybe you're kind of like sad if ever you will just know. So if ever you're not really aware kung sino tong kaaway nyo, guys, might as well pray to God for clarity or for signs. I feel like this person also reacts every time that you will say something. I feel like it's more behind the scenes reaction. Kasi, I feel na kung sakali man na may nasasabi siyang di maganda about you, it's kinda like more on backstabbing. Parang wala siyang guts na sa mukha mo mismo mag-react. Okay? I really feel na meron siya mga maanghang na salita. Okay? So, kung sino man ito, guys, ito yung tao na nakikita ka na may nangyayari maganda sa inyong buhay. And this is definitely a person na sawa na makinig sa kung anong pinopost mo sa social media. Because whomever this is, guys, this is somebody that is definitely having issues with regards sa money. Kaya siya naiinggit sa'yo. So, kaya ngayon palang hinikayat ka ng Panginoon na iwasan nyo na mag-push ng mga tao na mainggit sa'yo. Kasi first of all, it's kinda like a sin para, about sa inggit, diba? So, sana huwag mong encourage yung mga tao na mainggit sa'yo. So anyway, we also have the chosen and friendship. So yung masaklap dito guys, kung sino yung kaaway nyo, ito yung somebody na close sa inyo talaga, na hindi mo akalain nagagawa ng masama. I feel this person is more on, I feel like spell work. I feel like but this spells will definitely backfire. Maybe that's also the reason why, kung bakit ngayon ay naghihirap siya with regards sa money, maybe because of the reason na nagka-curse siya. Feel ko talaga mangkukulam yung energy. Okay? So, I'm sensing like you definitely needs to break free from this person's spell work. Okay? And to break free, lagay ko na lang yung link ng Reiki song na makahelp sa inyo na mag-break free sa mga curses. Maybe it will definitely help you a lot, okay? Para malayo ka na rin sa energy ng taong ito. But on your end, guys, remember to remove everything na binigay sa inyo ng taong ito. Kung hindi ka pa aware kung sino man yung hater mo, please, okay? Magdasal kayo sa Panginoon to actually give you clarity whom it is and pay attention to the signs of heaven for you as well, okay? So, anyway, kung sino man siya, as I told you, nagagalit siya sa tuwing nagpo-post ka or sa tuwing may nangyayari maganda sa inyong buhay. And this is somebody who's plotting to send you curses para magkasakit ka kasi nakita ka niya na focus masyado sa money or maangat ka sa inyong buhay. See? Nakita niya na confident ka and this is somebody's that is really a part of your social media, baka friends mo dun sa Facebook or kung saan man, at this is somebody that's definitely knowing what's going on with you. Okay, so nainggit siya sa inyo guys kasi as of this time, this person doesn't know where they will be heading with regards sa career. Ito rin yung tao na nagbibigay sa inyo ng mga regalo na may curses, okay? At saka, I'm sensing na this person is plotting to give you a gift. At saka yung epekto nun sa'yo can be headache or can be laziness. And I'm not sure if you're aware about it, guys, okay? Tingnan mo na rin yung epekto kada may binibigay sila sa inyo. So anyway, another plot of this person is definitely manifesting you and your lover to have a third-party situation. And maybe you're dreaming about this, to be honest with you. And I feel like with the blessings here and this one, so it just mean na kaya pala siya nainggit sa inyo dahil may lover kayo at the same time you also have blessings. If ever that's not the case situation, nakita lang niya kasi na talagang supportive sa'yo yung mga tao, kaya siya naiinggit sa'yo. And so far with this protect here, so yung magagawa mo dito guys is be close kay God. Okay? And be introvert as well. Para mawala na yung inggit na yan, as you can see here. So, kung sino man tong kaaway nyo guys, definitely you're close to this person. At itong tao na to, nilihim niya yung mga masasamang ginagawa niya sa inyo. At nagpapanggap siya na kaibigan mo, or nagpapanggap siya ng caring sa'yo, pero hindi naman. And maybe you're having dreams or nightmares about this person that is cursing you. Anyway, let's see what else. So, ito rin yung balak niyang gawin na i-block ka from having this money and everything, and even sa love life mo din. So, this is somebody who ill wishes on your connection at ganun din sa iyong trabaho kasi napapansin niya marami ka ng pera, naging popular ka na, or pwede rin marami ka ng material na bagay. So, if yun na naiiyak siya kasi maybe wala siya mga ganitong bagay, kaya ginawa niya is nagbalak siya na i-curse ka so that everything will be put to end. At saka ma-seal yung blessings mo. So, anyway, here is your card. I feel this is definitely happening as of now. Or madalas na niya itong ginagawa. Hindi siya basically plot pa lang, guys. I feel here na may ginawa na talaga siya. So, I'll just include the link down below kung paano maalis itong mga negativity. Just listen to that songs and remember always to pray to God to stay protected from these things, okay? So you have this card, Healthy Choices. It says here, making healthy choices in love and in life, self-love, self-care, and being happier. So siguro ito na yung buhay mo. Kaya kinaingitan yung iyong buhay. So, kaya, gusto ka niya sanang kulamin at gusto ka sana niya na masira yung iyong relasyon, ganun din yung iyong trabaho. I feel aware ka na matagal na niya itong ginagawa kasi siguro may napapansin ka na kamalasan na nangyayari sa inyong buhay. So, I have 26 guys, okay? Pag lumabas ito, ibig sabihin lang nun, if ever you do have a hater, this is somebody na dapat mo talagang pakawalan, okay? Huwag kayo muna maging sobrang attached sa inyong friendship, guys. Try to observe them, okay? At saka detach from everything that they have given to you kasi baka may kulam na doon. So you also have this one, so you really have to run away from this person, to be honest with you. So this person plot to send you strong spells kasi nakita mo naman yung energy dito, most likely nakadepende siya sa spell work. So you also have this one in reverse. So ito yung masaklap, guys, inaakala mo masaya siya for you. You never thought na ito yung gusto niya mangyari, na mag-ending lahat sa inyong buhay. So we got our sense of taste has changed in reverse. Ito yung tao na hindi nagpabagong buhay. Kaya siya minamalas is what I sense. So we have the moon here. So may pagka-introvert yung inyong tao. Baka kasi wala siyang may pagmamalaki. Kasi nakita ko mo naman sa reading na nasa kawalan siya. Diba? With regards sa career. At hindi ko rin nasa sense na may love life siya, to be honest. So, kaya siguro naglilihim siya kasi wala siyang may pagmamalaki as of this time. So, you do have a heart here. So, yung gusto rin niya mangyari is mawala yung love life mo. Kasi nakita niya rin that you are loved and at the same time you do have a career. So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I feel like money will come back to you. Reminiscensing kulang. Ulit-ulit yung reading natin. Pasensya na. So, basically, ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, yun lang talaga ang balak niyang gawin sa inyo. Nakulamin kayo para mag-ending lahat na meron sa inyong buhay. I'm also sensing anger energy with this person. Siguro naiinis siya kasi nakita niya maganda yung iyong buhay samantala siya ay minamalas. Okay? I feel na yung rason ba't siya minamalas kasi busy siya na mangulam kaysa sa mag-focus lang sa kanyang buhay. So, anyway, ito pa yung iba mong cards. So, we have this one. So, definitely this person curses. At masaklap pa, guys. Akala mo talaga close kayo at nakita niya lahat naman nangyayari sa inyong buhay. And maybe, so this is somebody that's really passionate about whatever that you're doing. But this is somebody na baliktad na hindi naman talaga niya gusto na nakikita ka niya na umaangat. Okay? So, this is one of your friends, definitely. Or somebody that's really close to you. At saka nakita mo naman, nakita niya na upright ka na tao, tsaka maganda nangyari sa iyong buhay, and I'm sensing sad energy here. Talagang kinaiinggitan ka niya. Okay, so, yung balak niyang gawin is mawala lahat ng mga nangyayari sa'yo. At saka naiinis siya kasi wala siyang buhay na kagaya na sa'yo. Feeling niya wala kang problema, okay? So, I'm sensing na nagpapakita na sa'yo na signs ang Panginoon na itong tao na to, you know, is ill-wishing on you na mawalan ka ng trabaho at mawalan ka rin ng partner. And look at this one. So, gusto ng Panginoon na maging malapit ka sa Kanya para bigyan Kanya ng mga signs at protection from the curses of this person. Kasi so far nakita Kanyang masaya, kaya ayaw niya sana makita kang ganito. Gusto niyang pabagsakin lahat na nangyayari sa'yo. But this is in reverse, guys. Meaning nun, you know, if you're really meant to be with your person, then it will not fall apart. At saka ganun din sa work. Kung sakaling man nag-failed ang yung work mo, ganun din yung love connection. Ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, maybe those things are not meant for you. Maybe you're destined for something else. Okay? So, anyway, let's see kung anong karma ng taong ito. na may ginagawa ng kalokohan sa'yo. So, I feel na until now, these people are plotting the same thing over and over again. I feel that this person will also have a backstabber friend. Sinungaling din kagaya niya or mapagpanggap. Nakala niya kaibigan niya pala ay kaaway niya. Kasi hindi yung ginawa niya sa inyo, diba? Akala mo, bati kayo, akala mo, friend mo, yung pala, hindi, okay? So, yung kanyang karma ay iiwan siya ng mga tao. Kasi, first of all, maybe God is protecting them from this person. Okay, isa rin sa kanyang karma, may potential na kung sino man yung kanyang tinatarget na kulamin, magstay sa career, as you can see here, lalo na kung yung career is really destined for their victims, okay? Isa sa kanyang karma kung nag-aantay man siya ng balita, ng let's say work, whatever it is, hindi yan darating sa kanya. As you can see, magkakaroon din siya ng distortion sa mind. Madalas yung anxiety issues sa kanya, marami siyang iniisip. At saka may iyak na lang siya dahil sa mga naiisip niya. At ganun din with regards sa words, baka may mga taong magbigay sa kanya ng negative comments. Okay, so kasi pinupush ng Panginoon na itigil na niya ang panonood sa mga tao. Kasi gusto sana ng Panginoon na sana, mag-focus na lang siya sa work kaysa sa maging busy na tumingin sa kanya mga biktima. Ngayon yung karma niya, mananatili sa posisyon yung mga kinurse yung mga tao at siya yung mawawalan ng opportunities dito kasi wala na siyang ginawa kundi mangulam na mangulam. So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you. Sa mga pumili ng clock card dito yung reading, tingnan natin kung ang bahala gawin sa inyo ng inyong kaaway. I'm sensing illusion and lie. At I'm sensing na malungkot kayo, maybe because of the reason na may nawala sa inyong buhay. Or I'm sensing iba sa inyo na walang kayamanan. Okay? At saka, nasense ko rin ang bigat sa mata ng energy. So maybe until now you're crying about the losses. Hugs to you, clock. So, gusto sana nilang sabihin sa'yo na you really have to detach from people or others that are lying. If ever you're not aware whom that is, mind as well na pay attention to the signs of heaven for you. Or maybe may mangyayari just for you to be aware that this is somebody that you cannot trust. And I'm sensing heaviness talaga sa mata guys, and na-sense ko rin yung anger energy. Maybe with regards sa anger energy, it's not your emotions, but I kinda sense na it's more likely yung emotion ng yung hater about you, yung anger na yan. Siguro kasi guys, paangat na kayo sa inyong buhay, and I feel like you're focused on hurt as well of the past. At pinipilit mo mag-move on by focusing on your work or your career. Okay, kung sino man yung kaaway mo, bala kanyang i-bully. Or mag-leave the negative comments sa mga produkto. So, if ever you're somebody who's into business or pwede rin sa following, balak niya mag-invite ng mga tao to not like your product, okay? So, might as well kung may negative comments, agad nyong i-delete para wala siyang ma-encourage sa tao na mag-hate ng yung product din. Anyway, Na-sense ko yung energy din na binablock ng Panginoon yung kanyang throat chakra kasi nga may masama siyang binabalak na gamitin yung kanyang voice para sirain ka. Okay, so since hindi maganda yung kanyang intention, kaya binablock na ng Panginoon yung kanyang throat chakra. So anyway, this is what's going on with you, na nagkakaroon ka na ng money. At saka, kahit na may pera ka, naiiyak ka pa rin kasi maybe, nalulungkot ka about your loss, as we can see here. Kasi bago sino yung na-lost or nawala na yan, baka ito yung tao na mahal mo talaga or nagmahal sa'yo. At yun nga, inihiling mo na mag-heal ka na because until now, you are hurting deep within. And now you're just focused on money making, as you can see here, para maka-recover ka from these negative emotions or para malimot mo yung sakit, okay? So, kung sino man itong hater mo guys, nagbabalak siya na impluwensyahan yung mga tao na i-backstab ka or maglagay na negative lie. I feel na it's kinda like a lie yung lalagay nila. So, sana hindi ka maniwala sa kanilang mga comments about your products and also about din sa nilalagay nila sa social media kasi hindi yun makatotohanan. Kasi first of all, in the sense while being here, you're actually attracting people towards your products naman. At I'm sensing na naiiyak ka kasi siguro na feel mo na hinihate yung products mo and so on. So, I feel na nangyayari siya sa future. But I feel like for some of it has been happening. So, if ever natamaan ka na ng ganitong plot, guys, might as well. Huwag kayong basta-basta maniniwala sa comments nila. Kasi nga gagawan yun ng backstabber na kaibigan na meron ka. Ngayon, iba sa inyo may idea whoever this person was at yung dapat nyo talagang gawin ay iwasan siya. Okay, kasi kung sino man ito guys, bully siya behind the scenes or isa siya sa mga tao naglalagay ng negative comment sa iyong following at ganun din sa iyong mga produkto. And yung lesson learn mo dito guys, hindi lahat kahit kaibigan mo ay mapagkakatiwalaan. May mga tao na nagagalit or naiinggit kapag nakikita ka nila na paangat sa iyong buhay. Yung masakla pa dito guys, ay mga tao kasi na kahit na kaibigan mo gagawin yung ganitong bagay. See? As you can see here, yung sign na balak niyang gawin is nakawan ka kasi nakita ka niya na marami kang pera. As you can see here, at kaya naisipan niya na siguro behind the scenes, magnakaw siya sa'yo habang busy ka sa work, as you can see, at saka siya gagawa ng action na nakawin kung ano man ang meron ka. So, might as well na make sure that you really have a safe place for your money, at saka secure mo dapat yung inyong income, okay? Because you do definitely have a backstabber person that's around. Yung masakla pa dito, pinapayagan mo siya papasukin sa iyong bahay. Lesson that we got is this one. So, itong tatahulan yung mga aso. So, yung balak nga niyang gawin is mag-encourage sa mga tao to hate your products. Okay, so you can see here. But in reality talaga guys, kung sakali man may produkto talaga kayong binibenta, actually nakakatulong yan sa maraming tao. Kung sakali man may hater ka, I don't really feel like this is somebody that's really genuine. Pinipigilan lang kasi nila yung growth ng inyong produkto or pwede rin ang inyong following. So we have this card clock and it says your need time takes time, in time cycles, time to heal and progress. So itong tao na to, nakita kanya talaga na nagkakaroon ng progression kung naman ang ginagawa mo sa buhay. And then yung plot nandito is more likely to stop your progress or to even stop what you're doing. Okay? And I felt drawn to time to heal here. So make sure guys na mag-take din kayo ng time to heal because sa sense ko pa rin yung kinda like hurt energy dito sa energy natin. Okay, with regards to you, hugs to you, kasi na-sense ko mabigat talaga yung pinagdaraanan nyo sa ngayon. Tapos may hater pa kayo guys, okay? So anyway, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron. So we also have this one treasure. So, yun nga, balak ka niya nakawin kung ano man ang pera na meron ka. Kasi iba sa kanila siguro may idea kung saan mo nilalagay yung iyong money. Okay? I feel na itong taon na to may pagkagahaman sa pera. So, gusto niya sana na magkaroon ka ng issue sa money. Kaya balak niya nakawin yung inyong kayamanan. And I'm sensing with this one in reverse. Maybe you're still healing from broken connection for some of you. I feel na wala siyang awa, kahit alam niya to. Na nangyari sa inyong buhay, sige pa rin siya sa pag-destroy ng inyong buhay. So, you have to hurry in reverse here. So, marami tayong kalak dito sa inyong reading. We also have this one. So, gusto ka niya maka-experience ng sadness, okay? At I feel na naguguluhan ka sa kanya kasi minsan bully siya, minsan hindi. But behind the scenes, this is definitely a bully. Binubully niya yung produkto mo or pwede yung mga napagdaanan mo sa buhay. I feel like this person make fun of you secretly. So, we have the why here in reverse. So, wala naman dapat siya talagang dahilan kung ba't ang ginagawa yung bagay na to. Kasi first of all, dapat, ina-admire ka niya as a friend. Because I don't see here na may masama kang ginawa sa kanya. So, you have this one in reverse. So, this person is plotting to make people not fall in love with your work. Because of the star here in either way. So, ayaw kanya talagang umangat, guys. Okay? Yun yung gusto niya mangyari na maalis ka sa spotlight. Kasi baka sa ngayon, sumisikat ka or pwede rin yung produkto mo sumisikat. Okay? Ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron dito. Na-sense ko matalik na kaaway. Interesting. Baka frenemy, guys. So, mag-ingat talaga kayo. Tsaka, ingatan mo talaga yung money. I feel like you intuitively know what to do kasi maybe you're divinely guided by heaven about this issue about your friend or frenemy. Pinashuffle nila ako maraming beses, okay? So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I feel this is somebody na gusto kanya talaga maging stagnant with regards sa yung pera, tsaka gusto kanya maging malungkot. Ayaw kanya nakikita na masaya. I don't know what's wrong with this person because definitely, hindi siya dapat nagwi-wish sa mga ganitong bagay sa'yo. So, anyway, nakita niya kasi, pinapanood ka niya until now na nagiging successful ka sa iyong buhay, as you can see here. So, yung balak niyang gawin sa'yo is, hindi ka maging masaya sa ginagawa mo at saka, maglagay talaga ng mga negativity sa yung products, ganun sa ginagawa mo. Kasi kung magkakaroon ng negativity doon, iniisip niya na mawalan ka ng gana to push forward on whatever you're doing with regards sa iyong career. At saka, I'm sensing with this one, siguro itong tao na to, alam niya yung kahinaan mo. Maybe this person is aware that it takes time for you to heal. At saka kung nasaktan ka talaga, mapapahinto ka rin sa ginagawa mo. Maybe because of the reason like this person is thinking like, kapag nalulungkot ka, take some time ka to heal. So, anyway, tinan naman natin kung ano yung karma ng taong ito sa pagpaplano ng ganitong bagay sa'yo. If namamalasin siya sa pag-ibig. At ganun din sa social media or I'm also sensing social climber, guys. Okay? Baka itong taon na to ay ganun. And I feel na ahas. So, yung kanyang karma, guys, ang papadalas ang kanyang pag-iisip, tsaka magkakaroon siya ng anxiety issue or problem kasi wala na siyang ibang iniisip kundi yung iyong buhay. At saka nainis siya kasi nakita kanya minamahal ng mga tao. At I feel na itong tao na to talaga secretive, okay? Hindi yan sinasabi sa'yo na hate ka niya and so ever. Pero kasi minsan napapansin mo na kakaiba siya, okay? And yung kanyang karma definitely mag-end yung inyong connection. Kasi first of all, may madidiscover ka about him or her. And I feel na maiyak siya kasi mawawalan na yung connection niya sa'yo. As you can see here. So, yung kanyang karma, mabaliktad yung kanyang mundo. Siya mismo yung magkakaroon ng endings with regards sa career. At saka susundan pa siya ng kamalasan. I feel that this person will not see it coming. Honestly. At kung ano man ang ginawa niya sa inyo, mabubunot yung tinik na yan. O hindi yan makaka-apekto sa'yo. Isa rin sa kanyang karma, guys, sa papaligiran siya ng mga tao na kagaya niya na hindi mapagmahal, as you can see here. And then this person is holding on to these people na hindi naman nakakabuti sa kanya. So anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation, and God bless all of you. Sa mga pumili na not today card ito yung reading, tingnan natin kung anong balak gawin sa inyo ng inyong kaaway. I feel na mapaghusga. I feel like this is definitely a hater of yours at matagal na panahon ka na niyang ginagawa ng masama or kalokohan. At na-sense ko rin, guys, na na-feel ko rin yung evil entity attack, okay? Kung sino man ito, guys, maybe this is somebody who has been cursing at saka they could be working for evil. Kaya yun nga, yung balak niyang gawin is magpadala ng mga negative entities sa inyong buhay. I feel na para mawala yung konsentrasyon mo. So, kung ganito yung nangyayari, guys, I would really suggest ang maging close ka kay God. Kasi definitely si God yung nag-aalis ng mga evil entities, diba? At saka, remember to listen to the song Still by Hillsong. Kasi maganda yung song na yun. Tsaka talagang ginagawa kanya maging brave at maalala ang Panginoon. Kasi definitely you have to realize na mas malakas ang Panginoon kaysa sa iyong mga kaaway. Okay? And anyway, I feel nagagawa ng paraan ng Panginoon para ikaw ay maprotektahan. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung inyong cards. If yun na mabait kang tao at masunurin ka talaga sa buong may kapal. Kaya siguro, you know, yung mga tao talaga na they work for evil, mainit ang dugo sa inyo kasi malapit ka sa Panginoon. Or maybe you're somebody who's doing good for this world. Ginagawan mo yung mission mo. And I feel this is kind of like, you know, spiritual attack. At saka, I feel this person is plotting to create nightmares. Because I feel like they're not really listening. Siguro, pinipigilan na siya ng Panginoon na gumawa ng mga gaitong kalokohan sa'yo. So anyway, let's see what we have here. So, yung balak niyang gawin sa'yo is matakot ka sa kanila. So, that's the reason why, you know, importante talaga na maging close ka sa Panginoon at ma-realize mo na wala silang ganitong kapangyarihan na takutin ka. I feel na lalo na sa social media, siguro may mga threat. So, might as well na makinig ka na lang sa kanta ng Still and know that God is the highest among these people, okay? Para hindi ka mawala sa landas dito. So, kung may mga threats man, wag mo nalang pansinin. I-ignore mo na lang, guys. Yun ang masasuggest ko. Kasi ito kayong balak niyang gawin, natakutin ka. If you're not through social media, as you can see here. Because they definitely want you to surrender on whatever that you're doing. So, ito nga yung balak nilang gawin na mag-protest at saka maglagay ng mga negative comments siguro sa'yo, takutin ka at kung ano man. I really feel here that there are some people that definitely loves you. As you can see, so magkasama si love at si hate dito. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, gusto ipaalam sa'yo ng Panginoon na meron din mga tao na nagsusuporta sa ginagawa mo. So, wag ka masyadong focus sa yung haters para hindi mangyari yung mga gaytong negative na emotions kasi makasama to, diba? Itong dalawa na to, ito yung gusto nila mangyari na matakot ka at inawalan ka ng gana sa ginagawa mo. Ang balak din nilang gawin is kontrolin ka at saka yun nga gusto ko nila magkaroon ng maraming haters. Kasi siguro nagiging influential ka na sa mga tao. I feel here talaga na naiiyak ka kasi parang madalas sila tong ginagawa or napapansin mo na to, guys, okay? I'm sensing with this one as well, so there are definitely people that are actually loving you, pero mag-ingat ka rin kasi meron din kasi mga tao sa yung channel or pwede rin sa yung negosyo, kung ano man yan, guys, na akala mo kasundo mo yung pala hater mo or aawayin ka, okay? So, mind as well yung gawin mong umpisa pa lang, guys. Kung may nakita ka ng hate comment, agad mo na silang i-delete or i-block sa yung channel at ganun din sa yung mga produkto. Kasi I feel this is somebody that's really plotting na iwasan ka ng mga tao, as you can see, kasi nagkakaroon ka na ng connections or pwede rin ng mga people na talagang they admire what you do so far. So, isa rin sa kanilang planong gawin is definitely to hurt you with curses, as you can see here. Kasi with regards sa hope dito, I really feel na hindi ka nawawalan ng hope. At hindi ka rin nawawalan ng pasensya sa ginagawa mo. Kasi maybe you're somebody that is really definitely, gumagawa ka na mabuti para sa mundo kasi isa ka sa tinawag ng Panginoon na gumawa nun. So, anyway, next na we have is this one. So, I'm sensing ito yung balak din nilang gawin is magkaroon ng confusion yung mga tao about you. So, I feel na marami talaga silang balak gawin just to destroy your life, your career, especially. Kasi maganda yung reputasyon mo sa mata ng mga tao. Kaya nangyari dito sa kakaroon ka na ng money. Ngayon, yung gusto nilang gawin din sa'yo ay kulamin ka kasi nakita ka nga nila na umaangat at nagkakaroon ng pera. So guys, not today yung inyong card. It says here, not dealing hurt, avoiding a conversation, cold person, boundaries, and still angry. So, yung dapat mong gawin, guys, yung nakita mo sa picture, na i-ignore mo yung mga taong ito. Kasi kung pinalagay mo sila sa yung buhay, guys, nakita mo naman kung anong gagawin nila, na balak ka nilang isret, balak ka nilang bigyan ng negative comments, and so on. So, umpisa pa lang, guys, i-block nyo na sila. So, sa oras na may nalagay na negative comment, yun ang dapat yung gawin. I feel na kasi minamaltrato ka nila. I feel na kung sino naman itong mga tao na to, mapagmataas sila at nakalimutan nila yung Panginoon. So, tuwing natatakot kayo, guys, remember to listen to the song na nabanggit ko sa inyo. So, we have the home here in either way. You also have the open here in either way. And we also got this, okay? Ito yung gusto nilang gawin talaga na matakot ka sa kanila. Pero guys, remember na di mo dapat sila katakutan kasi first of all, they are not God. They're just forcing themselves to be greater than you. So sana wag mo silang bigyan ng ganong power o mong palakihin yung kanilang ulo. Okay, and so ngayon, ibilin ng Panginoon sa'yo, avoid to be too open sa ginagawa mo. Okay? Avoid kayo sa social media, wag kayo mag-blog posting, don't please. Okay? Kasi yun nga, may mga negatibo silang binabalak. Okay? So we have precious memories in either way. We also have, Kaya ka pala nila ginaganito, guys. Kasi these are people that do have crab mentality issue. Meaning, guys, okay, instead na matuwa sila for people na umaangat, sila ay nagagalit pa at gusto nilang pabagsakin yung mga tao na umaangat. Yun yung kanilang ugali. Kaya nila to ginagawa. With precious memories being here, so some of them, they could be somebody na may pinagsamahan kayo, pero baliwala yun sa kanya. Okay? Ito yung masakit. Maybe this is somebody that you treat as your relative or can be as friends, kung ano man yan. Pero kasi nakita ko dito, napangunahan sila ng crab mentality attitude nila. Na yung sinasuportahan ka nila, iba yung nasa isip nilang gawin. So, yun nga, gusto ka nilang kontrolin. Pero guys, you do have a potential na hindi magpa-control sa kanila. Okay? And you really need to stand in your power. You really need to be brave, guys. Kagaya nung kanta dun sa Still, diba? So, it's really making you brave and making you acknowledge God. Okay? Anyway, you do have this one here. So far naman, I would say na kung ano man ang balak nilang gawin sa inyo, guys, mag-fulfill sila once that you are actually creating boundaries away from these negative people. Wag kayo mag-keep ng toxic person sa inyong channel, sa inyong Facebook, kung ano man yan, guys, kasi magdudulot yan talaga ng negativity. We also have this angel. And we also got, wow, this is definitely nice, guys, okay? Kasi so far naman, pinaprotektahan ka ng mga anghel, and you're divinely guided by heaven. And that's the reason why you will stand in your power, as you can see here. So anyway, let's see what else. Ang dami nilang balak gawin sa inyo, guys, okay? So, mag-ingat kayo and be closer kay God at saka, ask the divine to help you out and to protect you from their curses. Kasi isa yan sa kanilang pinabalak na gawin sa'yo na kulamin ka. I feel na kung sino man to mga tao na to, meron silang evil entity within. That's why they act a certain way, okay? So, anyway, yung balak nilang gawin is kinda like drive away your good people na subscribers mo, or pwede yung mga nagla-like, mga may gusto ng produkto mo, na ialis sila sa iyong buhay. Okay? So, balak nilang pabagsakin kung ano negosyo na meron ka or following by a word here. Okay? So, yun yung balak nilang gawin. At saka, I feel na iba sa kanila, balak kanilang kasuhan, tatakutin ka. Okay? But yet, I feel like they're kind of like doing this for fun is what I sense as well, at saka para mawala yung focus mo sa work. So, mind as well what you need to do here is iwasan nyo sila. Because so far, hindi ko nasa-sense dito kung may kaso man na or kahit ano. Hindi naman yung katotohanan, guys. Kasi first of all, I don't see that you did something wrong here in the beginning. So, ba't kayo matatakot, diba? So, yung gusto mong gawin sa ang paggawa sa inyo ng Diyos, mag-focus lang kayo sa work. As you can see here, at ignore nyo yung mga negative na tao sa inyong buhay na nagbibigay ng negativity or negative comments sa inyo. And that is to actually attract more people that really will be guided towards you. I feel na naiyak ka kasi for all these years, nakaranas ka ng mga ganito sa mga tao. So, maybe nangyari na to nung past din. So, anyway, yung gusto lang nilang sabihin sa'yo ng mga anghel is, you have to learn how to handle these things at saka might as well, iwasan nyo na lang. Wag kayong papa-epekto sa ginagawa nila kasi first of all, they are not God, okay? And I think these people definitely needs to be reminded that God is greater than anyone else in this world. Kasi nakalimutan nila yon. Tignan naman natin ngayon kung ano yung karma ng mga taong ito. Okay, nabanggit nila avoid posting things in social media about your life, okay? Be introvert as of this time. Kasi baka gamitin nila yung mga pinopost mo against you. So, anyway, yung kanilang karma, guys, okay? Kakatakutan nila ang katotohanan. Okay, and I feel here na whether or not they like it, kahit ilang beses lang i-distort ko ano yung katotohanan na yan, lalabas at lalabas yung katotohanan at mawawala yung mga ilusyon na pinaglalagay nila sa social media or kahit saan man. So, I'm sensing they will have anxiety issue about this truth coming out, as you can see here. So, mangyari is magtatago sila, as you can see here. And then, I feel na yung mga tao talaga na love ka at yung ginagawa mo, hindi sila aalis sa inyong buhay. Maybe because of the reason that they know the truth, and that's the reason why they're ignoring what is false, as you can see here. So, yung karma naman gumagawa na negative sa inyo, guys, obviously, mawawalan opportunity sa money. Okay? Tsaka kung anong ginagawa nila sa inyo, it will not definitely affect you at all, because those are just words na walang sense. So, I feel na madali mo na lang kasi yung magagawang i-ignore dahil ibablock mo naman sila. So, anyway, I feel na maiyak sila kasi sila yung nagkakaroon ng blockage with regards sa money. So, remember na sinasapol nila dito yung money mo at saka yung career. So, nag-backfire sa kanila. Nagkaroon ng negativity sa money. As you can see here, walang opportunity. At yung pera talaga hindi darating sa kanilang buhay. Malas sila with regards sa money at saka sa business, sa career, and so on. Tsaka lalabas pa yung katotohanan at dahil doon, mahihiya sila at magtatago. So anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. And take care, guys, and God bless all of you.